Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and proximity. Make sure the replacement AirPod Pro is charged and seated in its case, and keep your iPhone unlocked and on the home screen. Next, turn Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on. These let iCloud and handoff detect earbud state. Open the case lid with the AirPod inside. Do this now, so the device can broadcast. You do this because the case enters pairing mode only with the lid open and Bluetooth active, which kicks off discovery. Once the case is open, press and hold the setup button on the back for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white. This resets and forces pairing mode. Then, on your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and look for the AirPods Pro entry or the on-screen pop-up. Tap Connect and follow prompts to restore settings like noise control and Siri. You do this to re-register the replacement unit to your iCloud account, so all devices linked to that. After pairing, test audio playback, noise control modes, and the microphone with voice memos or a call to confirm both function. If the AirPod Pro fails to appear, restart your iPhone and repeat the case reset. Make sure you are signed into iCloud because linked devices rely on that. If problems persist, unpair any duplicate AirPods from Bluetooth and iCloud, then retry pairing. This clears conflicts. This sequence addresses common issues by removing old bindings and re-establishing a clean iCloud registration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.